गोंयांत शारी विकास खात्या संदर्भात जोडिल्ल्यो ज्यो येवजण्यो आसात तांचो कांय कारणाक लागून गोंयांत लाभ घेवपाक मेळना. देखून हो प्रस्न सुटावो करपाक आरडीए मंत्री जयेश साळगांवकारान केंद्रीय मंत्री तोमर हांची भेट घेतली. आरडीएक्स गोवा खातीर परवरीच्यान चीफ रिपोर्टर केन्झल रॉड्रिगीस.
Delhi trip was long pending trip and basically the trip was meeting Mr. Tomar, Narendra Singh Tomar, the Minister for RD Panchayat, and teka sangpak what we are doing in Goa with regard to the rural development. Rural development, we had met Mr. Tomar earlier also to tell him about the schemes which are there at the central government which are not being availed by Goa. Which are not being availed by the government of Goa, and we are not in the position to avail these schemes because of the criteria we follow and the criteria they are looking out for to qualify for these certain schemes. Now, certain schemes are Goa falls in a urbanized sector. So urbanized alल्या कारणान तेका तो criteria आसा पळय, the criteria Goa qualify जायना. So I asked for a package kind of, if you could give to Goa, because Goans should also avail this whatever facilities they are giving to the other states. Goa should be also benefited. So he showed us spoke about a scheme called Rural Mission. So under Rural Mission, we can bring amenities which are there in the urban area to the rural. So right now, what we have done is we are getting two constituencies. We'll try to do this, replicate the amenities which are there in the urban area into the rural. So the team is going to come from the center and they're going to check where they can, which area they can fit in all this and which constituency they can adopt. So basically you get around 30 crores each
for each constituency.
And a cluster karate, it is called as cluster. Now one cluster can be given to South Goa, one cluster can be given to North Goa.
Okay.
So both these clusters you can avail 30, around 60 crores. Plus besides this, the other schemes can be also converged. Like the heritage scheme is there, the housing scheme is there. Then there are many other schemes actually which you can converge. And you circular converge karun rural mission with this 30 crores you can add up another 30, 60 crores. So roughly around 100 crores you can get to Goa. And asli kama jaun asli which was not done earlier. And we are trying to get some more schemes from the center to the state.